Struggling to build or scale your business? You're not alone. From websites to emails, ad copy to proposals, you're stuck doing it all and still falling behind. Freelancers are expensive, agencies are slow, and doing it yourself? Frustrating and ineffective. The AI360Studio toolkit is here, and those who leverage it will dominate their industries. Meet your new AI360Studio Business Toolkit, a done-for-you powerhouse built to launch, grow, and automate your business. Get a professional, high-converting website in minutes. Engaging welcome emails, sales follow-ups, nurturing messages, fully written and ready to convert for your business. We also will help you stop wasting ad budget by generating tested, proven ad copy for your business social media platforms. Unlock compelling video scripts designed to hook your viewers and drive action. Stand out offline with professional brochures crafted to impress, share, and sell. Your brand deserves more than a basic card. We will help your brand make a lasting impression with stunning designed business cards. Every document you send will reflect authority and trust, thanks to our clean branded templates. Confidently speak to leads with battle-tested scripts that overcome objections and close deals. Protect your business with ready-to-use professional contract templates, without the legal headaches. Land high-value projects with persuasive proposals that highlight your strengths and win trust fast. This isn't just an upgrade, it's your unfair advantage. Everything you need in one AI360Studio powered toolkit. Whether you're a coach, creator, or agency owner, this toolkit was built for you. Save thousands on freelancers' hours on tasks and months of trial and error. Right now, get early bird access for just $49.99, but hurry, this price won't last. Click the link below to grab instant access to your AI360Studio toolkit. Dominate your market starting today.